Hello everyone, let's add a photo to your contact on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So go to your phone application and select the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. And now choose which contact do you wish to add photo to. Let it be this contact named Dear Friend. To edit this contact, you need to open Contact Information menu. To do this, tap on the contact name and then tap on this eye icon. Or you have another option. Let's go back, and you can just tap this icon to the left of the contact name. Now to add photo to this contact, tap on this circle with the camera icon inside and open this dialog. So here you have some options. First, you can add a photo right from your gallery. Also, you can tap on the camera icon and make a photo of your friend in the place. Also, you can create the augmented reality emoji, but this is not a topic of this video, but subscribe our channel to not miss it out. And what we will do now, we will add the sticker instead of the photo. You can add the stickers and you can choose the preloaded stickers or download the sticker pack from the Galaxy store, but just let's set any sticker, for example this beautiful mouse, and don't forget to save your settings. That's it. Now you can go back and you see that our dear friend now has his own photo. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.